You're not going anywhere.
Well, I gotta say, you really have some cool kung fu powers or kung fu skills or something like that.
Right? Type of thing.
Yeah, probably I should avoid you. And these dudes are crashing into walls! Oh gosh. I guess I have to use my ninja moves.
Boy, dinosaur! Open the door! Correct my name. Are you serious? Okay. Boring swords. Open the door! Judger! Monster Brad looking button is after me! Oh gosh.
Ah! Open the door! Open the door! Okay.
Come in!
Ah!
Open the door! Open the door! If you don't open the door, I'm gonna break this gate!
Thank you, boring dinosaur, for saving my life. Ew.
You're welcome, but what you did?
Probably I push his buttons. Get it? Buttons? Okay, stop acting crazy. But we need to do something else. You gotta break into that door.
Okay, but what should we do?
Oh my gosh, let me think. What?